Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad Videos, Standard 10th, video number 16th, Polynomials, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. If 1 and minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial, capital L x raised to 4 plus m x cube plus n x square plus rx plus p, then find L plus n plus m plus p, then m plus r and m cube plus r cube. Okay, so here this is a polynomial which has the degree of the polynomial is x raised to 4, highest degree, right? So that's why it will have 4 roots. Okay, and 1 and minus 1 are 2 roots of these 4 roots. Got it? Okay, let's solve then. Fx equals to L x raised to 4 plus mx cube plus nx square plus rx plus p. Okay, then 1 and minus 1 are the roots. So if you input the value of 1 and minus 1 in this fx, your answer should be 0, because if some any number is a root of any polynomial, and if you substitute that's a remainder theorem, and if you substitute that polynomial in that fx, then the answer is 0. So in this case it should be f of 1 equals to L plus m plus n plus r plus p, right? Because everything is 1, so it will remain as it is, equals to 0. Put it equation number 1. F of minus 1 equals to, do this again, L minus m. Why minus m? Because it's minus 1 cube now, right? Plus n minus r, because it's minus 1, and plus p equals to 0, right? So next, add both 1 and 2. This is equation number 2, this is number 1. Add both. What you will get? 2l plus 2n plus p equals to 0. Therefore 2 into common out, l plus n plus p equals to 0. Therefore l plus n plus p equals to 0. 2 take on this side, it becomes 0. That is the first answer. L plus n plus p, that is equal to 0. Okay. Next we got m and r. How can you get m and r? Suppose if you subtract 1 and 2 from each other. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.